Welcome to AI Matrix. You've seen me generate videos. Here are my top 5 free picks. Alright guys, I've done videos on these, but in my opinion, everybody wants to create awesome videos. Everybody wants to do it for free, or at least a lot of people do. So, what are the top 5 free AI video creators out there? I'm going to rank these. There's other ones out there for sure, but I think these are really good. So if you're looking for a cinematic one, look no further than Kling. Now, what is Kling all about? This actually makes like model series videos, like videos that you can say, hey, I have to double take. Is this real or is this AI? Now, by looking at it, you can tell, but it's not always easy. And you can come down to the creative studio here, click on video generation. After you do that, it will generate a video that you can check out. So we just give it a second. And then you would log in with Google, Apple, whatever it is. And then you're able to generate videos. Now, when I say free, I don't always mean it will be free for every generation, but you can get started for free, you can get logged in for free, and then you can start to generate videos. Keep in mind that if you're going to do a lot of video generation, either way, you're going to need a lot of credits. So that's one thing to think. But look at these videos. They're pretty freaking realistic. This actually looks like watching a movie, if movie was an AI. So you're wondering, how do people make these trailers? How do they do it? They come here and click generate. So you can actually see right here a video that I generated from previous thing, and look how awesome this looks. You just come here and you can click generate and make an awesome video. So that is Kling. All right, Luma. We've talked about this. Here you can create things for free, including amazing videos. So is it just videos? No, you can come up with reasoning modules, generating, judging, but do not forget the ability to create awesome videos. And you can do that right here with Luma. As you can see, they have the localized video into multiple languages. So not only can you make a video, you can put it in multiple languages, make it look awesome right here. Now, you just come up here and they have the product, so you can start jumping into videos. And a lot of people have said some amazing things about it. But look at that. Look at these graphics. Look at this ray graphic right here. I've showed this in one of my videos. Pretty impressive. It's up there with Kling, I would say. All right. You don't always want movie graphics, though. It's cool to make movie graphics, but sometimes you just want to appeal to people's senses, and it does not have to be all polished. Or you want something more. I've shown this in a video as well, but this is Hailuo H3. You describe your video, what you want. I want a frog and a top hat, whatever it is. And then, just like the other ones, you can actually create some amazing videos. MiniMax, we have Omni reference, we have all of the. Just come up here, pick a model. You want to also pick a resolution, duration, all that fun stuff, a ratio. You can pick what you want from MiniMax, cheap, how it's going to look, and you're good to go. So that is Hailuo. Next we have Pika, which I've done an awesome video. Here you can see really cool videos. These are stylish and they're fun. Pika makes this more fun. It's not so much about making that perfect, motion picture video. And just like H3 and Lua, this makes some pretty cool stuff. And you can even come to a library to get some inspiration and see some of the things I've created. I've created a simple workflow, when I'm creating my YouTube videos. I've also animated myself. So you can do some pretty fun stuff with Pika. And even Pika Effects makes it cool, so you can put yourself into kind of a world that you never thought of. And last but not least, one that gets overlooked is Runway. So this is building some pretty awesome videos. Look at that. That might be hard to distinguish. Real world platforms, and this one is really, really polished as well. So I kind of have some ones I like Pika H3. Those are good, free ones for some fun stuff on Instagram, TikTok. This one is really, really good. And Runway just looks amazing. And you can also see what you can do with video text, video, image to video, all that type of stuff. You just get a prompt and you can make an AI video generator. Not only does this look freaking amazing, but it's great. So you can go ahead and try it here. So that is my top 5. Which one are you looking forward to playing with? I know there's different ones that we have samples of, but I'd love to know, are you looking for the more polished type of thing? Are you looking for fun? Are you looking for something in between? Let me know so I can make some awesome videos for you showcasing more. I have showcased some of these. I have some videos on Pika. I have some videos on Luma. I have some videos generating some of these things, and even a video on Kling. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.